Say hi. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. Wow, it feels weird using this camera. I haven't used it in a minute. I've been using my iPhone, and honestly, I gotta say, man, the iPhone vlogs, they're lit. So if you guys want to start YouTube and you feel like you need a camera, you really don't. Just use your iPhone, it's good. This box right here, I've been waiting to open for, I want to say like the past month. When you guys see the sneakers inside, you will know because I ended up getting this about like a day or two after the release, I think, because I struck out, but I really wanted them. So, boom, our little UPS box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And this is coming from, boom, Out of Stock Kicks. I will have their Instagram down below. Let's see. Ooh, okay, we have a little gift here. Boom! What is this? It's a t-shirt. Their logo right here. Have a little moon dripping down. The Donkey King. This is super sick. Of course, we have the diamond dunks up there. David's gonna want this, bro. We have this nice glossy black Nike box. Went with a size 10 on this pair right here. And these are the Air Max 90 NRGs Sail Sheen Straw, aka the Bacon Air Max 90s. Now, like I said, I haven't seen these in person. I saw a lot of people get pen marks on their pairs, so I'm hoping mine doesn't have the crazy pen marks. Oh, also, shout out David Got Kicks for the t-shirt. Make sure you're following the homie David. Ooh-wee. Look at these joints right here. Oh my gosh. Let's do the initial inspection on these things. Okay, they look real good. Small pen mark on the toe. I'll give you guys a little close-up of that, but not as bad as a lot of the pairs that I've been seeing on Instagram. Like, for some reason with this release, the pen marks was just ridiculous. Now, if you guys haven't been collecting sneakers for that long, this shoe probably doesn't mean too much to you, but I think this pair is up there with the infrared 90s, in my opinion, because I hold the infrareds like the infrareds is top tier, you know what I mean? So this, a little bit lower than that, but it's a fire shoe. I love all the tones going on right here. We have a nice like cream suede. We have this almost like a brick red, and then that pink fire contrast with the brown, another fire contrast, and then with the laces. Bro, this is a fire sneaker right here. It's starting to warm up, so I'm getting my runners in. I'm making sure I have comfy shoes for the summer. And to be honest with you guys, not a lot of stuff has been keeping me super like sucked into the sneaker game. I don't feel like I have to cop every single release anymore. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. If you guys do, drop a comment down below, or if you don't, drop a comment down below as well. I feel like I have a lot of sneakers that look very similar to the ones that are getting released, so I don't feel a need to get them, right? Like, do you need 10 pairs of red shoes? Do you need 10 pairs of blue shoes? It's a little crazy. But this pair though is different than a lot of the sneakers that I already have, so I figured, you know what? Let me treat myself. I'm gonna buy these. Once again, shout out to Out of Stock Kicks for these. I paid resale for this pair. It's not going for too much right now. I think I paid like $230, $240, don't quote me on it, but yeah, don't think this is a plug or anything because it is not. Oh my goodness, look at that Air Buble. The Air Buble, oh, the Air Buble is popping. Oh, I just realized it has the leather lining. Okay, it feels premium at that point. Like, I'm used to the cloth so much that this feels premium. My pair has a pen mark right here. If you guys can see, it's not too big of a deal. Might be able to get that out. Nothing too crazy though. On this side, we have another pen mark right there. But that's just me being extra picky. But yeah, this is just my quick unboxing of the Air Max 90s that I picked up recently. I've been meaning to open this box up, but I've been so busy. So shout out to everybody that has been keeping me busy buying stuff on the site. I really appreciate you guys. Shopsotopia.com if you guys want to support the channel, support your boy. Anyways, we got some car stuff to do today, so I hope you guys are excited for that. Let's get right to it. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, you guys, we're gonna be working on the GTR today. Whenever I take the GTR out, this easily becomes the best part of my day. A freaking cool start, baby! channel, when I first started making videos, I used to include a lot of videos with my Lexus, and I figured, you know what, instead of doing all the car content on the vlog channel, let's go ahead and mix in some car content on the main channel. For you guys that might have missed the video, I did cop the GTR, my ultimate dream car. Ever since I was a kid, I've always wanted a Nissan GTR, and we finally have it. And every day I wake up and I feel like I'm gonna freaking wake up from a dream. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for making this possible. Here's a quick little walk around. Has a full Varus body kit on it. It also has the full carbon fiber big wang. Freaking love this car, man. So you're probably asking yourself, Alex, what are you doing today? Now, it's nothing crazy. I don't want to get your hopes up, but I did have some issues from the previous owner with this car, and I just figured I would go ahead and fix it. So it's nothing major. The engine's not blown or anything like that. This is very minuscule, but it was bothering me for the longest times. That's why we need to fix it. So here's the problem that we currently have. This bumper right here is straight from Japan. So the problem with Japanese bumpers is that they use a different mounting system when it comes to the little holes. So as you can see, and as you can probably tell, there is nothing holding this license plate. Literally, the previous owner stuck double-sided tape on there. So it's like double-sided mounting tape. And that's what's holding this license plate right here. Like, it could literally fall off at any moment. And the way I drive this thing, bro, this thing is bound to fall off. Now, before we get any further, this entire car is wrapped. We have the new brackets right here from Amazon. We also have new license plate lights that I'm just gonna pop in real quick. And we also have a license plate frame. So I think it should be pretty easy. Should be pretty quick. I don't know how well this is on here. Oh, actually, look, I'm able to get my hand behind here already. Oh. Wow, easier than I thought. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yo, anybody could have stole this. That is crazy. Also, on this November sticker right here, I thought it looked a little sketch. It looked like it was almost transplanted from another car, so I went ahead and I got a new sticker just in case, because that's the last thing I need is the cops down my neck thinking I did some sus stuff. So I'm gonna remove this with a heat gun. Should be very easy, and hopefully this bracket fits. In Japan, the spaces for the holes are a little bit pushed out more than the US ones, which is why we couldn't mount it. It should hopefully fit. Boom and boom, there we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Got my Allen wrench kit right here. Just gotta figure out what is what. Let's see, y'all have to smash the like button if this is the correct one. This is my first try. Ah, perfect freaking fit. Smash that like button, baby. Before we continue, I just wanted to ask you guys real quick, are you into cars? Because a lot of my people before that were watching these videos, they're a lot younger, and I feel like a lot of y'all are grown up now, so you have your own vehicle, you started modifying your own car, or even you came to my channel because you saw one of my vehicles that I've owned in the past, and that's why you're watching these videos now. So comment down below, let me know what you guys drive, and if you're into cars or if you're just strictly into sneakers, because I've loved cars for the longest time, and I feel like cars and sneakers, those are a good mix right there. Before we get too carried away, I also need to change out the license plate lights. So I ordered this from Amazon. If you guys ever need anything, check the Amazon link down below. That should help you guys out. Now, I believe these are universal, but I'm not 100% sure. It's either they're gonna work or they're not gonna work. So I'm gonna pop it out. One side is dead, one side is working, but we just need to replace both of them, all right? You see, this is the one that's working. It's like orange color. And then the other one is just completely dead. This whole process shouldn't take me more than like 2 minutes. You just pop this out, just like that. Oh man, I might need to clean that off. All right, let's see if these work. Just like that, we're in business. I don't know if it's just me, but I always have to make sure I get this thing perfect. perfect. Because if it's not perfect, that's bad. But if it's perfect, that's good. Yeah. There we go. All right, guys, we ran into one small issue. The bolts that it came with are super shallow. So if I add this license plate frame, it doesn't allow enough thread to go in and lock in the license plates. Yeah, no license plate frame, but at least we have the plate on there nice and secure now. I hope you guys like this POV angle right here. I have this crazy looking head mount. I look absolutely insane right now, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little driving POV. To give y'all the ultimate experience of how it's like to be in a GTR. Now, like I mentioned, I wanted a GTR ever since I was a kid. And when I turned like 17, 18-ish, I was getting to the point where I could probably afford this car, but it would be a bit of a stretch. And I'm honestly glad that I wasn't able to do it comfortably back then, because this car right here is a car that comes with a lot of responsibility, man. This thing is a monster, and if you're not safe around other people, if you're not safe with yourself, you can cause yourself some big issues. So I'm glad that I'm older now and I can enjoy it and still be responsible. And at that age, you know, when you're young, you don't know what you're doing. You don't fully grasp what's going on. If you give this car to an 18-year-old, bro, that is a recipe for disaster. So all I'm trying to say is, if you want a car, you want something in life, don't worry, your time will come. It might not be soon, but I guarantee you, whatever you want, whatever you're dreaming of, it will come in the future, all right? You just gotta wait on it. Your time will come. First gear pull, nobody's ahead of us. I'm telling you guys, this thing is a monster. Every single time that I get in this car, I have the same clammy hands. It's a part of the experience. You feel the adrenaline rush, your hands get clammy, you get a little nervous. It's just, I don't know, it's a weird feeling. I just wish I could give you guys the same feeling that I feel. You know, hopefully this video is able to get the juices flowing for you guys, but I know it's not gonna be the same experience that I'm feeling. Oh, that's so sick. The guy behind us is taking a picture of the car. Was good. In the back of my head, I always thought I would be able to own a GTR. I didn't think it would come this soon. I thought it would be a little bit later on in life, like late 20s, but we were able to make it happen this year. I was just like, you know what? Let's treat ourselves, get this GTR, baby. And now, we're living the freaking dream. And if you guys enjoy the car content, obviously, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below. I could incorporate so many more videos that are car related on the main channel instead of the vlog channel to spice the content up for you guys. I'm gonna be changing the wrap very soon. I'm gonna be heading over to Premium Auto Styling. So we're gonna do a full video process on that whole wrap job. So if you guys wanna see it, again, let me know, because I love the car stuff, bro. Oh my goodness. The freaking head mount, man. So I forgot my mask. Yo, are you at work right now?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright, hey, I forgot my mask, but I gotta drop something off. Should I just wrap my shirt around my head?
Hell yeah.
It's my first time wearing one of these masks, dude. I feel like a duck. Alright guys, we're at the OOS Kicks right now. I got some shoes up here. This is their 100 and under section. So if you guys want some steals and deals, slide through. Yo, I was planning on recording in there, and low-key it got so busy that I started helping out. I was doing some buyouts and all that. So I didn't have a chance to do a little video in there, but it's all good. I'm about to head over to LA with David and Ivan, so you guys are gonna get some LA vlogs real soon. I'm not sure if it's gonna be on the vlog channel or if it's gonna be on this channel, so make sure you guys are subscribed to both. And if you guys enjoy this content, once again, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe. We're almost at 600,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting, and I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and I'm out. Peace.